Hi, welcome to Modern Building Technologies. We have grown to become one of the pioneers in providing building technology solutions in UAE market. One of our main services is the procurement of FF&E for hotels. This is a big task for hotels and their management. You need to arrange a heap load of things, like wooden doors, wardrobes, flush doors, metal doors, cabinets, and all sorts of fixed and loose furniture for your hotel. You might even need a wooden pergola for your entrance. Arranging all of this is a hefty job, and would require time and proper planning. But we have you covered. A detailed project plan and budget that allows you to make a solid business case for refurbishment before you get started. Our team works on hotels large and small, and from basic to luxury. In every case we tailor a plan that fits within your budget and timescales. We believe that there is a need for interior company that does things differently. Our focus is on developing a thorough understanding of the needs of our clients and delivering value excellence in every aspect of our service. Modern Building Technologies Technical Services offers various FF&E services for hotels. Call us today, and get a quote for your own personal or professional project. MBT. Building Blocks of Life.